check out this beehive right here. This is a trellis. It's got some grapevines growing on the sides right here. And they started, I don't know, maybe this morning. I passed by them earlier and it was actually about like half the size. Now it's around 2 something p.m. and it's maybe twice the size. It looks like they're making a beehive. I'm not sure. They look pretty busy. And try to do a little close-up. You can see a couple of them like shaking around. They're pretty calm though. They don't seem to be bothered or like trying to sting me or anything like that. So I don't know. I guess we'll see tomorrow. See how they look.